Hi everyone, my name is Amanda and I'm the lead stylist here at Charlie Goss Styling. Today I'm going to be chatting through some fall trends. I have a few things behind me here and I'm going to chat through each one of them, and then at the end I'm going to do a try on so that you can see all of the outfits. I'm just going to jump right into it. So I'm going to start with jackets. So this is the first one that I have here. So this is just a quilted sort of bomber style jacket. I'm going to come closer so you can fully see the pattern here. So it's kind of like a floral pattern. It's really beautiful. Something like this is really good to have in your wardrobe because you can wear it as a layering piece. You can wear it day or night, but it's a really good transitional jacket to have. And I love the little detail on it. So these sort of quilted jackets were around last year and they're still going to be everywhere for this year. Okay, next I have this barn jacket. This is from Abercrombie. I like this one because it's actually cropped, so it's a little bit easier to style than something that's very long and oversized. And I like that the collar is in that corduroy, but it's still in a similar tone as the entire jacket. It's actually fun because you can cinch it in a little bit more in the waist with the buttons here if you want it to, just like this. And it's actually a really thick material, so this will definitely keep you warm. Okay, so for fall, burgundy is super, super popular, but we're also seeing lots of berry kind of tones like this. So I picked up this mini dress. I thought instead of doing just a black mini dress for fall like we always do, doing something in this color is a nice alternative. I like the off the shoulder kind of detail here and the ruching. It's very, very flattering and will be, again, a nice alternative to your little black dress. Okay, so anything off the shoulder is also super popular for fall 2024. I picked up this oatmeal colored shirt at Aritzia. So you can wear it completely off the shoulder like this, or you can do one shoulder. This is kind of a shirt that you can wear to literally anything. You could wear this to the office, or you could wear this in the evening for a date night. So a very versatile thing to have in your wardrobe. So there's tons of burgundy behind me, as you can tell, because it's a huge, huge trend this fall. I picked up a few different pieces in burgundy to show you that it's really being done for any sort of style. So this is just a burgundy t-shirt. You can do this obviously just with jeans or with a pair of trousers for work, but I thought, again, this was fun. Rather than just doing a plain white t-shirt, you could opt for burgundy. I like that it's cinched in the waist here, so it's a little bit of a fun shape. I'm just gonna go through all the burgundy stuff now so you can see how versatile the color actually is for the fall. So this is probably my favorite piece. I picked up this leather jacket from Dynamite. It's cropped and it obviously has the zipper detail here. I love that it has the little collar. This is super fun to wear probably in the evening for like a date night or a girls' night out with denim, with a mini skirt, even just like what I have on now. It would be super, super cute. I also picked up this burgundy bomber jacket. So as you can see, it's literally everywhere. It comes in every single style you can imagine. This is fun because this could be like your fall jacket that you can layer with, or you can do this again for work with a pair of trousers or super casual. I also love burgundy and gray together. So you could layer like this, something like this, or just any gray sweater underneath or a gray skirt. Burgundy and gray are really, really pretty together. Okay, I said that the leather jacket was my favorite piece, but this set actually might be my favorite. This is just a little skirt and sweater set. It's almost like a bandage kind of material that we used to wear like back in the day. This is obviously a little bit different. It kind of flares out rather than just a tight mini skirt. And then this cardigan is super cool. It has these clasps going all the way down, cinches in the waist, and then these really big balloon sleeves. But I love a matching set because of course you can mix and match the pieces. So I would do probably this skirt with a cardigan like this to kind of mix it up, or this cardigan with a pair of jeans. So another big color for fall is obviously gray. As you can see, I don't really have anything black here other than this jacket, but It's more so grays, burgundies, browns for this fall, so keep that in mind when you're shopping. This is just a really simple gray cashmere cardigan. This is from Abercrombie. This is going to be one of those pieces that you wear all the time, so I would definitely have one of these in your wardrobe. Another big color is this olive green. I picked up this dress from Zara. I love the drop waist on it and the little belt detail. It's very short, but I think that's what makes it so cute. So this would be one of those kind of going out dresses. You could do this with a high shaft boot or a little kitten heel, but it's more so the color that's really trendy for fall. Brown is really the new black for the season. I got this brown suit from Dynamite and I cannot wait to wear this with just a little tank top underneath and a pair of sneakers. Even these blue ones that I have on today, I feel like complement the brown so well. So if you already have a black suit, I would opt for something brown or black for the season because this is a really trendy color. So another full suit here, but this one is actually in plaid. We're seeing plaid everywhere. Plaid maxi skirts, plaid mini skirts, full suits like this. If you're kind of iffy on the trend, I would opt for a blazer that you can pair with maybe jeans or a trouser rather than a skirt. I feel like the blazer is probably a little more versatile if you just want to kind of try out the trend. But I love the full suit option like this. And then you can pair this with maybe a burgundy boot or a brown boot, or of course a black boot. Okay, so I also have this beautiful floral dress. I know florals feel like they're obviously more summer, but these huge florals like this are actually still going to be trendy for the fall. So when you're shopping, you're probably going to notice that and be like, that doesn't really make sense because it's not summer anymore. But they're going to be in deeper tones like this dress, and they're going to be very big, as you can see here. So rather than the small, tiny florals, they're going to be big like this, like they have been for the whole summer, but they're just going to be in deeper colors like this. Okay, so the last trend I have here are barrel jeans. So these were popular last year and they're still going to be popular this year. I feel like last year they weren't as accessible. You could maybe only get really expensive ones, but these are now available at every store, I feel like. These ones are from Abercrombie. They're the perfect medium wash and they're going to go with everything in your closet. Okay, that wasn't the last item. So the last trend that I have is animal print. So we've been seeing leopard print everywhere. So I picked up these cute little ballet flats from Zara. I love the double strap on them. They're really cute with denim like this. So leopard print is still going to be everywhere, but we're also going to be seeing just animal print in general. So I have this dress here. I thought this could be really cute with a black blazer and a little heel. But if this was a skirt, could also be a really cute look. So keep an eye out for just animal print in general, not just the leopard print. Okay, so just a quick recap. So trends you're gonna wanna look out for when you're shopping for fall 2024. Quilted jackets, barn jackets, burgundy in any sort of style, brown, gray, definitely olive green, and animal print. Also barrel leg denim. So just a quick recap there. Remember that fall is actually the best time to have fun with fashion, so make sure that you're doing that when you're going shopping. Kind of pick out trends that speak to you. Leopard print is obviously a little more edgy. Brown is very classic and chic, so keep those things in mind when you're going shopping to buy things that you're actually gonna wear. All right, so let's try on some outfits. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next week. Bye.